Confusion has arisen because even accomplished naturalists can struggle to differentiate between similar plants and insects. London, museums might appear to be infallible repositories of learning, but it might be wise not to trust everything that appears on the shelves. A study suggests as many as half of all natural history specimens in some of the world's greatest institutions are probably wrongly labeled, according to experts at Oxford University and the Royal Botanic Garden in Edinburgh. Confusion has arisen because even accomplished naturalists can struggle to differentiate between similar plants and insects, and when hundreds or thousands of specimens arrive at once, it can be too time-consuming to research each one in exhaustive detail. More than 50% of known species have been discovered since 1969, making it virtually impossible for scientists to keep track. Misidentification is hampering scientific study, confusing biologists about where species exist in the wild, and harming conservation efforts. Many areas in the biological sciences, including academic studies of evolution and applied conservation, are underpinned by accurate naming, said Dr. Robert Scotland of the Department of Plant Sciences at Oxford. Zoe Goodwin, the study's lead author, added, "We think a conservative estimate is that up to half the world's natural history specimens could be incorrectly named." The team are concerned that much of the inaccurate information has been fed into globalized databases, allowing the misidentification to spread. Researchers studied 4,500 specimens of the genus Aframomum, African ginger, which was meticulously identified through a large study in 2014. When they checked back, they found that before the new research, at least 58% of specimens were wrongly identified, or given an outdated name. They also found that when specimens from the same planet are sent to different museums, a common practice, they are often given different names by the in-house experts of the different institutions. Analyzing Dipterocarpaceae, a family of rainforest trees from Asia, the team found that 9,222 samples had been divided into 2 or more duplicates, which had then been labeled as different species. Finally, they scoured online records of Ipomoea, a genus that includes the sweet potato, on the Global Biodiversity Information Facility database. Examining the names on 49,500 specimens from the Americas, they found that 40% were outdated synonyms, and 16% were unrecognizable Oregon invalid. Other researchers have shown that the insect kingdom is potentially in an even worse situation. Dr. Scotland and his team suggested creating an archive of digitized specimens with DNA sequencing, accessible worldwide, help scientists keep track. Their study is published in the journal Current Biology.